Good morning and welcome to...
Wait,
what?
No, good night time.
Oh, good night time and welcome to Leeds Castle. What is this event?
Christmas lights.
Christmas lights event. Really cool. This should be very, very pretty stuff,
We can
shouldn't
see
it?
what colour the lights are.
I know, we're going to see lots of colour lights and lots of Christmassy themes. Let's go see what we can find.
And actually, they have music.
Music, I hope so. Well, that tree's got some really nice colours, isn't it?
Wow, that's so pretty.
Oh, this looks so cool. It's amazing. That way, yeah?
So you can go that way.
That way.
Yes, it's a round route, one way.
Wow, there's a real fire over there. All those are flames, Lace.
You have to go around and cross the bridge and come back.
No, we're not going to. No, we're going to go all the way around. There's loads of it. Oh, it's like there's another projection here. Look.
Oh, what's the projection on? Star. There's a cobweb there.
Wow, look, it's changing colour.
It's like being in Disney. It's amazing.
No, we're slowing down. Wait, what do we say? Oh, it's changing colours.
They're really pretty, aren't they? Those fountains there. Do you like them? This is from the Polar Express film. They the one with the steam train.
How far do you think they shoot up? Do you think they're right up in the sky? Yeah, not yet, sir. There you go. You
Trees
can
look
have
good, don't they? There.
What does that say? How do snowmen get look? How do snowmen get around?
They jokes. Oh, look, there they got the balloon ride over there. Look.
That cost a fortune.
I wonder what sweets they got. Do you look? Oh, what sweet? Brad burger. Smells nice.
It does, doesn't it? So, don't walk off.
What a crumble
Oh, smell
pots
that.
these.
Wood fire pizza.
Oh, it smells good, doesn't it? Yeah, they're well pretty.
Look, and there's a wood.
Oh, I've got Santa going across at the end.
Oh, nice. That's a really cool tree.
Number 2.
That's really cool, is that? So, what are the lights made of? Let's have a look. What are they? They like ropes.
What's this one?
Probably a plug. So this is amazing.
That would be nice. They put lights through there.
Yeah. It's well good, isn't it? It's like Avatar, isn't it?
It's like beehive. I don't want to go underneath here.
You're not allowed underneath that, babe.
Really pretty. I love the colour.
It's really cool, isn't it? Pink now. Very cool.
No, you can't touch it.
They're like the sparklers, aren't they?
I want it to go to like a different colour. The red stuff will show up as much. Green.
What, the moon? Because the sun's reflecting off of it. Whoa, peacock feathers here. They look interesting. You want to go to maze? Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? They should put lights in the maze.
Look.
They're nice, aren't they?
These are blue.
You gonna say hello?
Hello there. Are we excited for the big day?
Are you excited?
Excited?
Hope so. We're having a photo.
Yeah.
Here we go then.
Ta-da.
Evening, everyone.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Absolute pleasure.
No,
So,
can
do you
you
want to
Lovely.
tell
Have a great
Santa
Christmas.
Oh, I want an electric drum kit.
Electric
Wow,
drum
okay,
kit.
we'll stick that down to the elves and we'll see what happens, shall we? Fabulous. Thanks for letting us know. Have a great
Thank you.
evening. Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a nice evening. Lovely.
Oh, your river's your favourite.
Yeah. Go over there.
Oh, is that? This is really cool.
Sounds nice. Music's nice.
It's nice through here, isn't it? I like that you can see the moon as well up there. Oh, we got that big light arch coming up. That's going to be good.
This will get
There's Home Alone.
Have you never
Oh,
seen
that
this?
really does my eyes in.
What makes my eyes
Crazy. Yeah, that was already feeling a bit.
Have you never seen a light, Mummy? Look. Have you never seen one?
This is from Home Alone.
Yeah, don't touch it.
But was it made for Home Alone, or was it? Lovely photo.
Wow. Have you never Make your eyes go weird.
Right, your eyes are weird.
Lots of pretty colours, Zach.
One or this one?
I think I like this one. I like the colours.
Mummy, do you like that one?
I like that one.
Which is your favourite, Zach?
That one.
That one, yeah? I like this one. I like the colours. Oh, that's good. Put your arms out. I like that. Nice. They were still sort of hanging on a couple of weeks ago, weren't they? And now they're like completely dead. Oh, look at these red lights up here.
All red lights.
So look at the reflection on the water. It's great, isn't it?
Did you see it?
Oh, it's really nice, isn't it?
Have you never seen this?
No, I've never seen this. Whoa, how cool is that?
They're very bright.
They're really good, aren't they?
Do you need to light them?
What you say? Cool fire, Zach, isn't it? Do you like them?
Let me touch the fire.
I hope the ducks don't get burned.
Like this music.
Daddy, look, that one's moving. I'm trying to blow this, the fire's not going out.
Let's try and blow them out like candles. Zach, look over here. Looks great with the bridge behind, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's stunning. Whoa, look at them. Zach, this looks well cool. What is this? What can you see? What is it?
Hang on, sweet pea. Let me take a
Let's all do it
picture.
together.
Let's all do it together.
He's just a silhouette, isn't he? It looks cool though.
Wait.
come back through. Keep running through.
Hang on, Zach, there you go.
Go on, Zach, try. Oh,
Go on then.
go on. Zach, move your arms around. Oh, I've lost you already. Whoa! Oh my God. Zach, where did you go? Whoa! Where are you, Luce?
Come back this way.
Yeah, go back through it. Don't run though, because you might bang into someone. Whoa.
Do it again.
It's well fun. Where's Mummy?
Look at it.
There you are.
Right, look at me.
Sheep.
Let's run, let's go.
Go on then.
Let's go through the stars. Whoa! Run! Wow. Very cool.
Do you know that song?
I know this song, yeah. Or is that? I think they got some bubbles in these machines. You have to wait. Oh, there's some. Oh, I love it, Zach.
Bubbles of snow.
Bubbles. Are they activated by motion? Something tells me they're meant to work a bit better than this. What do you think?
Here it goes.
Oh, look.
Right here.
You like these bubbles, didn't you?
Stop to fill up and then make them go.
Were you not impressed with the bubbles? You can make more bubbles of that, can't you? That was good.
Very good.
Yeah, back to the beginning, aren't we?
Yeah, it was
Was it the fountains or the colourful walkthrough?
colourful walkthrough.
Oh, I like the purple lights in there. They're well good. Wow. Okay, I think that's going to do us from Leeds Castle and their festive Christmas lights. See you later. Say bye.
Don't turn your camera off.
Oh, don't turn it
Bye.
off. All right.
Don't pause it.
Don't pause it. Well, how long are we going to run it for then? Say bye.
Bye. Don't turn your camera off.
Oh.
Don't turn it off.